This is some pecans that we picked up with a multi-headed nut wizard on a lawnmower. And I rode and I picked up all these nuts, and it took me 2 days to pick them all up. But one day I had two guys helping me, and then the last time we had one helping me. Or well, maybe on these we had 2 guys helping me pick up the limbs and stuff and unload them. But we picked them up basically with our multi-headed nut wizard. And we don't know how many we got on here, but there's a lot of pecans, and you can see how clean they are. No leaves. So anyway, it ain't bad for riding a lawnmower and picking up this many nuts.